Hey everybody! So this is what my box looked like after I took my FabFitFun Summer box out. I had add-ons and mystery bundles, so I got those mystery bundles out of the way. I will be doing those in separate videos, but let's take a look at what we have for add-ons. I'll do the freebies first. My first freebie was a Smart Water, and it was lemon and dandelion flavored, and it was delicious. I actually ordered more of this from my grocery delivery after I tried it because I loved it. And the next freebie was a Crest Whitening Emulsions Teeth Whitening Kit. So I will be trying that this weekend. Be smile ready for Memorial Day. I'm just going to try to take a look inside here. Instructions, and it comes with a tube and an applicator. So I'll just tuck that away. So that's pretty good, and we haven't even gotten started on like the stuff I actually paid for. I just picked up a few things this time aside from the mystery bundles. First thing here is this CBD Calming Eye Balm, and to be honest, I just got this because I forgot to take it out of my cart because I was in the process of narrowing down, but I've never tried CBD products before, so I'm looking forward to trying it. My eyes have been a little puffy lately, so it's all good. It was only a few dollars anyway. Next item are face wipes. I always use the add-on sales as like a stock up on face wipes. I like these ones. They're a little bigger than the usual face wipe, so you can really get in there and scrub. I like to keep at least a pack of these in my desk at all times. So I got those. And then I got the Fenty Beauty Mascara because in the category, I think I wanted something else and I can't remember what, so I got this as like an extra because I did want the mascara as well. I love a good black mascara, and I've heard good things about this brand, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. Looks nice and thick. So that's that. I've been working on building up my makeup bag, so doing good. Now here we have the Cocoa Floss. Now I really like this floss, and I was down to my last one in my desk drawer, so I thought, well, I guess I'll stock up. I'll just kind of tear into it like an animal because you can't get in. But they have really fun flavors, and I just feel like this floss really gets in there and cleans everything good. So we've got pure strawberry, mystery flavor, and we've got the orange, and that one I like as well. So those will be going straight into my desk. Doesn't matter, I just put them loose in there anyway. So the next item that we have is going to be the Nail Duo, and I've been trying to get this for a couple sales now. It's got like a light pink base coat and then an overlay of hearts. Now I've had like these polishes where they have like the overlay with like different shapes. I think the last one I had was stars. And I know like they don't polish on very well and you kind of have to place them, but it's still a really good look and it usually lasts a long time, so I definitely wanted to try this one out. And I have an outfit that this will go really well with, so I'm looking forward to trying that. The camera doesn't really do it justice. In person it looks super cute. So I'll just tuck those back in there. Yeah. Super cute. Next up, another nail polish. Yet another light pink. I really like neutral colors. So this is like just a nice pale pink that'll be good for like daily wear. Sometimes if I'm going somewhere where I want to go all out, I'll do something a little more dramatic. But like 9 times out of 10, I've got something nice and neutral on. Now we've got another face wipes. Like I said, I like to stock up, and I haven't tried these ones yet, so I want to give them a go. And then last up we have these exercise resistance bands. They were only like a few dollars, and I've been working out, and I cannot get the chunk off my legs no matter what. So I thought I would give these a try, and it's got a subscription like for a 3-month trial to whatever website they are connected with. I'm not sure. I haven't done much research into it. But I have been wanting some resistance bands, so the price was right, and I just snapped them up. So I'll tuck those back in their bag if I can get them in there. So that is pretty much it for my add-ons, aside from the mystery bundles, which, like I said, I will be going over at a later date, probably in the next, maybe over the weekend when I get a few minutes to sit down and tape those. But I stocked up pretty good here and even got some extras. So I was pretty happy with the add-ons this time around. Oops. Okay then, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you tuning in and watching my channel, and I would love it if you would subscribe. Until next time, take care and have a great night.